Well, the problem with the Daily Baguette is that ever since I've stopped uploading and making content...
It's not the Daily Baguette anymore, is it?
More people have subscribed.
Because when people trip over you...
alleyway insurance guy.
Then you get the money.
You stand straight back up and go, right, insurance please.
Thinking that. Oh, he's got a thing. Oh my god,
I've got a thing.
I feel so blessed that I've taken it. How many shots you taken before this?
Oh, I film myself making noodles. Yeah.
You know, whereas this, and I don't feel like I can just put it places. Whereas this, you can drop it on the floor and it'll be fine. Whereas the one, if I...
See my new toy?
Toy? Where'd you get that?
My new toy. I got it off the internet.
Have a look
Let's have a look. I've not seen any new camcorders.
Have a look at that.
Avchd?
Avchd?
A thumping good one, I'd wager.
Amazing.
Where's the fucking pepper at? Where is it?
I haven't used it in
Get it then!
Daddy!
Oh, I know where it is. It's in Jess's house. She has my pot.
And your cooking pot.
How fast?
Quite, like...
Bloody hell.
That's faster than Kimi Räikkönen, that is.
Oh,
MJ,
We can stay here until like 3.
have you had yours?
I don't want to take yours.
What time is the
Have you had
test
yours?
screening tomorrow?
Tell what?
Yours.
What's the running order for the...
Do you want to actually know something interesting about
Now it's
that?
9, isn't it?
Yeah, go on.
I like these cereal.
So
This
you'd be
cereal. It's really lovely.
Put the milk in.
Paste.
About
Second.
1 minute 30.
Well, that's the. I think you've got to just jump straight in
What?
because I like
Yeah.
it crunchy and not,
If you're 9, yeah.
but not
Yeah.
like dry.
When it's fully moist,
before you-
it's too much.
Paste, yeah, it's
Yeah.
horrible.
Yeah.
We got postponed.
Lovely cereal. Shoot down to Lidl.
It's
Yeah.
so much waste.
£1.49.
What? You know what I mean?
That's a fucking steal.
That is a steal.
They're great.
Yeah, dude, she never
Hello?
uses it.
You know, like female ones, they can pee on you, like squirt urine at you if they feel threatened.
From a distance.
I don't know, I just read it online somewhere.
What's its range?
Well, I'm sorry if we all get killed, honestly, I am. I'm really sorry if we get killed.
Quite interesting. You know when you just talk to it, you think.
Okay. Oh, where'd you get that from? This little bought it. Camcorder. It's got nothing to film on at the moment. What is it?
We're going to get the concert out of the way first and do one thing at a time.
You're a cinematographer. Huh? You're a cinematographer. It's very light, isn't it? Have you had yours?
You must be sweating.
My what?
Yours.
Yeah, it's bloody coat. You must be sweating.
Have you had
Oh,
yours?
right. Sorry.
You must be sweating.
Yes.
It's very good quality, isn't it?
He said he got a very posh edit. So we finally got it from Royal Mail.
Yeah.
Where's focus, Andy? We're not.
It's auto.
Yeah, it's not. We're out of focus here.
Give it a second. It's just walking up.
There we go.
There we go, we're coming into focus. Into focus.
You need a bloody AC with
There we go.
There we go. Let's go.
There you go.
Was
Now
it?
it's recording again.
Was it recording?
Christopher Jungo. What do you think about grad film?
What do you think about grad film, mate?
That's alright.
It's just alright.
Bit on piss.
What are we talking? B? C?
Look at that beard.
What's that? Just the liquid in the grapes, or like the whole film?
Is it
and
right?
just sort of
You'd have thought it'd have been the skin and everything else as well. Because that's just false advertising if you're only putting in like half of the actual fruit. No, but then they wouldn't put the skin off the banana, would they? They might do.
Nah.
No, I reckon they do.
Stick it all in there.
Tastes like shit, though, doesn't it?
The train now approaching platform 3 is the 1849.
3 months.
Let's play around with that.
Whose is this? I'd like to make a little video. It's the family and Uncle Andy.
Get my good side, get my good side.
All your sides are good sides.
Especially this one.
Peppers, mushroom, halloumi, rice, chili sauce, Titan soup in there. I call it Clash of the Vegetables.
The girl who leapt through time.
I love that film.
It's like Time Splitters but with rice. What do we could you mash that? No?
Shall we
Cushy pasta.
Cushy pasta.
What happened there? What's the story? Caption this.
I think I ate all the chicken pieces, so I'm sorry.
That's a nut.
Yeah? Should we give the elephant some Rizzler for his rolling? Oh no, the kid would have the Rizzler, wouldn't he? Because he's a kid. Are you a camera?
Okay, I'm gonna need some sick contra zooms. Could you just get...
Can I, let me eat some biscuits.
Wait,
while
on
we do it.
3, 2, 1. Do some...
Is it working, mate?